In this session, we are going to understand about the form design. A form designing means deciding the contents and layouts of the form for the purpose of collecting and processing the required information efficiently. Consider an employee form shown here. Once the form is saved, the default design can be modified. By default, the fields are aligned one below the other based on the order how they are added into the form. Axpert allows the user to modify the form design according to the business needs. One can design a form using the form design option available at the top right corner of a form. A user can drag, drop and resize the fields accordingly. Once the changes are made, save the design. Load the form from Run site and see the changes. To modify or set T-Struct application properties, click on the Settings button. If the static run mode is disabled, then Axpert will align the fields in empty space as per the display resolution. If static mode is enabled, it will display as it is designed. To show a wizard view of the DCs in the T-Struct, enable the wizard DC. This view is enabled only if the form has more than one DC. This shows the wizard view of the DCs in the T-Struct. By default, all the DCs are displayed in the default layout. That is, each DC will be displayed one after the other. Other than the default layout, Axpert allows the DCs to be placed in a tabbed order. Header tabbed layout. To increase or reduce the font size of the field value, use the font size property. You can see the increased font size. To increase or reduce the control height of a field, use the control height property. Entire form will be synchronized based on the width. The form can be set either in a center position, default position or the right position. This shows the form is set to be displayed at the center position. Axpert provides an option to change the layout of the DC as well. Click on the DC Layouts button to choose the layout. A default layout which allows the user to drag, drop and resize the fields accordingly. A single column layout. Non-grid DC fields align field one below other as name value pair. This will not allow field drag, drop or resize. Single column layout. Similarly, you can explore double and triple column layout. A field caption can be set as required, but this considers only name value pair layout, that is single, double or triple column layout. This shows the field caption width with 40%. A double column layout where the field caption width is set to 10%. To set font and hyperlink for the created fields, right-click on the field created. A drop-down appears with two options, font and hyperlink. Font picker appears, allowing you to set the font. Click on OK after completion. You can view your changes on the button in the form design. Axpert allows the user to customize the form view by using the custom HTML property available in the design mode of the form in the run instance. Choose the HTML property. Use the existing HTML code to style your form or enter the customized code in the custom HTML section and save. The existing HTML code is modified by adding one of the CSS property for an employee name field. Save, publish and run the form. In this way, Axpert allows the user to modify the existing form design according to the business need. In the next session, we are going to understand about the functionality of a drop-down field.